Yes, student. Next one is nomenclature. In nomenclature, we will find two, three common system of nomenclature and IUPAC system of nomenclature. So, compound, we write RNH2. Getting here in common system, R is considered as, that is, the prefix is become what? Alkyl. Okay, and the suffix that is this one is called what? Amine. So overall name becomes what? Alkyl amine. Alkyl amine. Now suppose the compound is CH3NH2, or if the compound is C2H5NH2. So on the basis of it, now the R is written as methyl and ethyl and then amine. So very simple, the name become what? Methyl ethyl amine. But what we have to do? We have to follow alphabet. Okay. So the first one, only one is there. Therefore this is called what? Methyl amine. And there is only one alkyl radical. Therefore no need to follow alphabetical order. It will be in the case of secondary and tertiary. Getting? Now this is about primary amine. Getting? 1 degree amine. If there is secondary amine, like here NH, okay, so R2NH. Getting? Here two conditions are there. Which two conditions are there? If the alkyl radical is of same type and if the alkyl radical are of different type. Okay, here R are same and here R, or you can say R days are different. So if this is there, then this is simply known as dialkyl amine. Okay, but if two different type of R, that is different size of R is there. Okay, then if R's are different, then follow what? Alphabetical order. Follow what? Alphabetical order. So by following alphabetical order, the compound will be named as alkyl amine. Okay. Now alphabetical order means what? Say here, suppose this is CH3, this is N, this is H, and there is what? C2H5. So you know that it is followed by what? E, because it is ethyl, while it is followed by what? M, that is what? Methyl. So now the compound name is become what? First the E will come, therefore it become ethyl, then what? Methyl, and then what? Amine. Okay, so here E and then what? M. Getting? Similarly, in case of if 3 number, that is tertiary amines are there, and if all these are of same size, like R and R, okay, if all R's are same, okay, then what we write? Trialkyl amine. No problem here. Okay, trialkyl amine. But if R's are different, you know, like we can take example CH3 and this is CH3 and this is again what? CH3. So what it become? It become 3 number of methyl, therefore trimethyl, and this is what? Amine. Getting? But if all these 3 R's are different, okay, like CH3, this is N, then again C2H5, and this is what? C3H7. So here the N is directly attached with 3 number of alkyl radical. Here sizes are different. How their size are different? Here 1 carbon atom, here 2 carbon atom, and here 3 carbon atom. So in this case, again we have to follow what? Alphabetical order. And on the basis of alphabetical order, first it will come ethyl, okay, then comma, then what? Methyl, then again comma, and now propyl. Okay, and what? Amine. So ethyl, methyl, propyl, amine. This is about common nomenclature system. Student, in IUPAC nomenclature system, it is considered that the amines are derived by alkane. Okay, what it considered? Derived by alkane. So when they are derived by alkane, like alkane, okay, minus H plus R, so that will become what? Alkane and amine. Alkane, amine. So the prefix is become what? Alkane without what? E. We have not to write E. And then suffix is become what? Amine. So overall name become what? Alkane, amine or alkanamine. Alkane, amine or alkanamine. Like here, if we call CH3NH2, then it will become methanamine because one carbon, that is methane. So this compound is become methane and amine. Okay, if two carbon is there, then that become ethanamine or ethanamine. This is about primary. This is about primary. But student, in the case of secondary, amine, if two R's are same, in this condition, one R will become substituent. One R will become substituent, or we can write it primary prefix. And being now it will become primary prefix, so one of the R is written as alkyl. Okay, this alkyl must be of what? Smaller size. Of what? Smaller size. Okay, and second will become alkane. Okay, this alkane must be of bigger size. Here the size plays important role in IUPAC system. And then our suffix is what? Amine. So that become what? Amine. Getting? So alkyl, alkane, amine. But most important thing is what? The alkyl must be followed by capital N. So we will write N alkyl alkanamine. N alkyl alkanamine. Okay, like here, suppose this compound. Okay, in this compound methyl and ethyl is there. Out of these, CH3 is smaller and C2H5 is bigger. So the smaller will become what? Smaller will become substituent or called primary prefix. So what we can write? We can write N and then methyl, because this is smaller in size. Here no alphabetical order. Okay, here size plays important role. So N methyl, and now big one is what? C2. Therefore that become ethane. Okay, E is removed and by added what? Amine. Added what? Amine. So what become? N methyl ethanamine or ethane amine. This is the name of that compound. Or here simple you can write. What you can write? N alkyl. N alkyl and called alkane and amine. Alkane and amine. Okay. Now, student, in the case of tertiary amine, okay, again here three different type of R, or they may be same type of R. Like here, same type of R is there. Three numbers of what? Methyl group is there. So now the two will become what? N and again N, and now become dimethyl. Dimethyl. Okay, and one of the CH3 will considered as methane. What? Methane, and then what? Amine. So that become N and dimethyl methanamine. But if all these three are of different size, then what? Then again we have to start from what? Alphabetical order as well as their size. So two things will place here very important role. The biggest one will be written with amine, that is with suffix amine. So which one is biggest one? the biggest one is C3H7. So C3H7 is written as propane, and the suffixes become what? Amine. Suffixes become what? Amine. And now, starting from smaller size along with alphabetical order. So the smaller size CH3 and C2H5. So out of these, the C2H5, being it is ethyl, therefore it is now written as N-ethyl. N-ethyl, and one more substituent. Therefore now you put one more N. What? N, and now what? Methyl. So N-ethyl and methyl propanamine. So this is about the nomenclature system. Yes. Speak later.